Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will create a flag of Azerbaijan in Python. There are 3 rectangles with 3 different colors: blue, red and green. It has also a half of a moon and a geometric shape. Let's start coding. The first step is importing turtle library and there are speed, geometry of window and title of the program. A star means importing all suitable functions from turtle, and then a point is changed from its beginning direction. Function of the rectangle is created to draw a rectangle. It helps the node to write a similar code a lot of time. I will recall it anyway in my code. The next step, I created colorful rectangles like blue, red, green, and I recalled rectangle function in it. Begin fill and end fill help to fill rectangle with those colors. Go to is direction of point x and y coordinates. A flag is covered with black border, and I made a code making a half of a moon. To make it clearly, Python has circle function. It makes a simple circle and you should write a radius of this into brackets. Check our code. Oops, there is a wrong. I figured it out. It's good. To make a moon, I created 2 circles with a few far away from each other. The first is white and another one is red. Check this out. A geometric shape is made with using for loop. If you do not know about for loop, you may watch a tutorial on my channel. It is wonderful, am I right? And we should write a text, flag of Azerbaijan. This is created and it's located in top of the flag. Run code. It is done. If you have any question, you may write in comment. So, you finished draw a flag of Azerbaijan in Python, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Then, please do like and share someone else you think it would have benefit. For more about Python programming, remember, you can subscribe to my channel.